Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process how you can create an irresistible offer for your coaching business. So these pointers that I'm going to mention you in this video are important, and I prefer that you take this in consideration before you create your offer for your coaching business. So let's dive right in, and I stick till the end. You're gonna get a lot of information in this, and you can just apply the same principles when you create offer for your audience, and accordingly you can just plan out your whole customer journey. So I will just walk you through right away. Just a second. Okay, you can see the screen, right? So on the screen, mainly right now, as you can see, like I have multiple you can sections. So firstly, we're going to talk about creating your irresistible offer, in which mainly consists of 5 parts. That is, firstly is deep analysis, then the solution, then bundles, customer journey, and the FOMO. First, we're going to talk about is deep analysis. In deep analysis, it is mainly analyzing your understanding your client, understanding your customer, what problems they are facing at a deep level. Now, how you can do that? Maybe doing a survey, maybe having a conversation. Obviously the best part is getting on a sales call, jumping on a call with them and doing simply a survey wherein you can just pitch in that I will just take 10-15 minutes of your time, and I'm conducting a survey wherein I am let's say my niche is coaches, right? So I'm going to say something like this, wherein I will say, like, I'm conducting a survey on coaches, wherein I am just bifurcating how exactly problems they are facing, and giving them a solution accordingly. So I will just take 10-15 minutes of your time, and it won't really be much. So accordingly, you can just jump on a sales call or create a survey, send them a survey form. If they are open to fill the details, that's good. If not, I prefer that 10 to 15 minutes anyone can give. So you can just jump on a call. Apart from that, obviously understanding the pain points of your target audience is must. So second comes when you do the analysis, you have a data that this is the problem your audience is facing. So accordingly you can provide a solution. You need to have a solution, obviously, because if you don't have a solution, then it won't really make sense. So if you have a solution, now focus how exactly, what is the bottleneck mainly means what is the main problem in that whole problem. Let's say I'm not able to generate leads. That is my main big problem, that I'm not able to generate lead. But why am I not able to do it? Because I'm not putting in content, I'm not doing a lot of outbound messages, I'm not posting enough in groups and as well. So this is mainly the points that is reason because I'm not able to generate leads, right? So that main points that I'm talking about, that is the bottleneck. Actually, the problem itself is obviously a problem, but the bottleneck is something different. That is mainly the point, that is because of which you are not able to do a particular task, right? So provide a solution to the bottleneck, what exactly problem they're facing. Now once you have a solution, let's say you have gone to Amazon. Whenever you go to Amazon, there is something like, let's say you are purchasing a shoe, right? With a shoe, there will be something. When you scroll down in the Amazon, you will see a bundle. Bundle is something wherein you are providing, let's say, 3 or 4 items, 3 or 4, let's say in coaching industry, if I'm taking example, 3 or 4 modules in combination of 4 with a very, you can say, marginal price. So something, let's say your coaching program is $2,500, right? But if you add $300 to it, or maybe $500 to it, maybe $3,000, and $3,000, now you're giving 5 items, where in 2,500 you were just giving one. So that is mainly bundling. So bundling, like Amazon is using, I mean, obviously they are using it for ages now. So you can just use the same principle on your coaching as well. Bundling up of your offer, giving more, and the more value you give to your offer, the easier it will be to sell. Simple as that. Now once you have bundles, you can decide your customer journey, how exactly you want it to look forward. Because if you want to have modules based customer journey, wherein they go through a training, then they jump on a call, Q&A call, or maybe one-on-one coaching call, you can do something like that. Or if you prefer to do group coaching or one-to-one coaching, it's up to you, whatever you prefer. So like if you're having a lot of audience that is attracted to your offer and want to work with you, you can have an offer that is on group coaching. On the other hand, if you want, like maybe firstly they should go through a training, maybe 10 to 15 minutes of videos, they go through that and then they jump on a call. So it's up to you, whatever you decide. So create a customer journey, step by step trainings and bonuses. Obviously bonuses is something that is bundling that I was talking before. So adding more value to your offer, easier to sell, simple as that. Then creating a FOMO, that is fear of missing out. FOMO is mainly like on a page you see there is a timer, you see there is a button on the subtext of that button is limited seats available, or there is a timer on the page that is like this page will expire within 5 minutes or 3 minutes or something like that. So in that case, it is something wherein you are creating urgency, you are creating scarcity for your client, and they will take the action fast. So that is what you have to do. Every now and then you have to create promotions, and accordingly FOMO, creating FOMO, that is mainly creating the FOMO, right? So you have to do that accordingly on your personal group, on your profile, anything that you have. So creating FOMO is must, and even though you don't actually have it, but I prefer you create it, because in that case people will take action fast and you will get more clients. Now when you do all of this, it will end up creating an offer that everyone want to buy from you, and you will never face any problems in lead generation ever. Secondly, it will become easier for you to sell, because when it is like a psychological effect, right? Whenever you go to Walmart, whenever you go to any online or offline store, if you think that if you see that there is an offer going on 50% off, you just want to grab it as fast as possible, because that is for a limited time, right? So that goes in the same with your coaching offer as well. So try to import these all things when you're creating your offer next time. Let me know if you face any concerns. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want us to look at your offer, if you want us to mold up your offer and wherein it will be good to sell in and people want to buy it from you. So I would be happy to jump on a call with you. Feel free to book a call with me, or whatever you think is best suitable for you at this very moment, and I would be happy to help you out. And I will end this video here. If you have any concerns, leave them down in the comment section below, or just contact me over Facebook or just YouTube as well. No worries, I will help you out anywhere. All right, I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.